Hello everyone, welcome back once again, and now we are going to learn about the widgets. So at first you need to know what is widgets. Let's take a look in our main site, and you can take a look over here at right side. We have recent post, recent comments, categories, archives. These calls are widgets in our right sidebar. Likewise, we do have a search bar, we do have a recent post, we do have a recent comments, and these are the widgets. So if you want to change, or if you want to modify, or if you want to add some widgets, you need to know how to do that. And I'm going to show you right now how to change or add or modify some widgets. So let's take a look, and therefore we have to go for our WordPress admin dashboard. Okay. So for modifying the widgets, you will have two options. The first one is the widgets option under the appearance. Let me show you. Okay, so here is the widgets are available. The widgets we have in our right sidebar. Likewise, the recent post, recent comments, archives, categories. You can take a look. Here is the recent post, recent comments, archives, and categories. So you can modify from here, and there are another way to customize or add or modify the widgets, that is from the customization. So as we were using the customization of themes, that's why right now I'm going to show you for adding or modifying the widgets through the customized, and that's why I'm going to click on this customize option. And you know, when you will click on customize option, it will have you, or it will provide you a live preview. So whatever you are changing, whatever you are doing, you will get the live preview add-ons. So that's why this is one of the best way for take a look over the real-time changes on your site before publishing. Okay, so we are going to learn about the widgets, and that's why you have to click on this widgets option under the customize. Okay, so we have some widgets over here. Likewise, sidebar, footer widget 1, footer widget 2, 3, 4, likewise. But at first we will go with the sidebar one. Okay, so here is the sidebar, and inside the sidebar you can take a look. Here is the recent post. Here is the recent post, recent comments, archives, and categories. Here is the categories. So here is the option. So if you want to delete, or if you want to change or add something, you can do that very easily from here. Likewise, you don't want to keep this recent post widgets in here. You want to delete this. So how you will do that? You can do that very easily. So you have to find out where these recent posts are available. So here is the recent post. So you just have to click once with your mouse over here, and when you will click on this recent post widgets, you will have this block editing option, and here is an icon or 3 dot, and this is called the option for removing the widget. So when you will click on these options, then you will get this remove legacy widgets. So let me click remove legacy widgets, and you can take a look over here. Our recent post widgets just removed. Okay, and the next thing is recent comments. If you want to change any word, you can do that very easily. In that case, you just have to place your mouse where you want to change the words. Likewise, I don't want to keep these comments, but I just want to write the recent feedback instead of comments, and that's why you just have to place your mouse cursor to the text, and then you will have the place for writing. So let me delete these comments, and I want to write feedback. Okay, recent feedback, and you can take a look here. Recent feedback text is appeared. So what I changed in here, it's appearing on our main site. Okay, so right now you know how to delete the widgets, and right now you know how to change the text in widgets. Okay, so what you will do once you need a widget, or once you need a new widget to add in sidebar, what you will do, you can do that very easily. So let me show you how you will do. Suppose you want to add a calendar in here, you want to show a calendar in your right sidebar. How you will do that? You can do that very easily. Let me scroll down on customization, and here is the plus sign bar, and this is called the add block. So for adding any kind of widgets, you just have to click on this plus sign bar, then it will show you a pop-up. So here is the pop-up. So right now we have some options over here for adding, but if you don't have what you were looking for, you just have to click on browse all. So you were looking for calendar, but calendar is not over here. Oh, sorry, calendar is over here. But if you're not able to get the calendar, you just have to click browse all, and when you will click browse all, you will have different type of option for adding the widget, likewise a text widget, media widget, design widget, and the default widgets that's provided through the WordPress. So lots of widgets are available, so you just have to pick up from here, or you can use this search bar instead of searching. Likewise, you are looking for calendar, just write the calendar. Okay, so here is the calendar. So you want to add the calendar, so you just have to select this one. Okay, you can take a look over here, the calendar is appearing. It's cool. Okay, so let me show you one more thing. Likewise, if you want to add some YouTube videos on your right sidebar, you can do that very easily. Let me show you how you will add the YouTube video on your right sidebar. So you just have to follow the same process. Let me scroll down, and here is the option for ad block, and over here is the option for YouTube. Or if the YouTube option are not available, you can type over here in search bar, or you can just use this browse all option. So let me delete these things. So you will get the YouTube on embeds option. So here is the YouTube option. So let me click on this YouTube, and here is the YouTube options are available. So you just have to add some URL, or you just have to embed an URL. So let me place an URL. Okay, let me paste a URL, and let me click embed. Okay, you can take a look over here. Here the videos just appeared. Okay, so here is the YouTube video is just appeared. So this is the simple process for adding any kind of widgets you need on your right sidebar or in footer. Whatever you need, you just have to add from the ad block option, and most of the widgets are available. You just have to search it. Okay, so this is very simple process. Let me click publish, and let's take a look in our main site. I want to click publish. Okay, let's take a look in our main site. So till yet, no calendar, no YouTube videos. So let me reload the page. Okay, so here is the calendar, and here is the YouTube videos. Okay, so now we know how to customize, or how to add, or how to modify some kind of widgets in right sidebar. Let's take a look over footer widgets. Basically, footer widgets are available in here in the bottom of your website. So here is the place for footer widgets. So let's take a look how you will add or customize the footer widgets. Actually, the process of adding or customization of footer widgets are similar like right sidebar. So let's scroll the customization bar at top, and let's get back to our footer widgets or widgets option, and then you will get the footer widgets 1 2 3 4 5 wise. Okay, so you can add many more widgets as you want. You can add. Likewise, you can take a look over here is a footer widget 1 2 3 4. So you just have to customize from here. But if you need more widgets you want to add over here, likewise, right now we have 4 widgets, but if you need more, you can add it from the WordPress admin dashboard, and I'm going to show you. But before that, I'm going to show you about the customization of footer widget. So let's start with the footer widget 1. So I'm opening this footer widget 1, and till yet we don't have anything else over here, and you can take a look over here that we have nothing in our footer widget. So let's take a look. Like most of the time, if you create some kind of corporate website, in that case in footer there are a number of logos are available on corporate website. So let me show you how you will add some logo in footer. So here is the option for block, and then you have to go for the image. So here is the image. Okay, so as like before, you have a 3 option. Likewise the upload, media library, and URL. If you want to place some kind of image from the internet, in that case you just have to place the URL over here, and I'm going to use the media library, and here is our images. So I'm going to pick this one as an example, and I'm going to click select. Okay, you can take a look. Our image is placed, but it's not appeared in here. So I want to click publish, and we are going to check in our main site. So let's click on publish, and now in our main site I have to reload my page. Okay, you can take a look. Right now we have the images in our footer. So this is the simple process for adding or customizing the footer widget in WordPress. So I'm going to show you how to customize or how to add some kind of more widgets. So I'm going to close this customization, and once you will close, it will redirect you on the dashboard. Okay, so if you want to add some more widgets, in that case you will have the option in widgets option under the appearance menu, and if you scroll down, then you can have the option for right sidebar widgets. You will have some optional sidebar 1, optional sidebar 2, and many more options are available. Likewise, this is the place for sidebar, and let me collapse this sidebar. So here is the options. So in here, if you need more widgets or if you need more customization, so you can directly use this widget option under the appearance menu. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you learn a lot about the widgets, so let's have some practice.